Understand the sales process. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jonathan. If you guys are brand new here, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what's your biggest question when it comes to starting and scaling a high-ticket online business. And in today's video, I want to go ahead and tell you guys and really break down to you guys the sales process that you guys need to understand. It's very simple. You only need three things. You only need to understand three things in order to make this work, this whole online business work. You need traffic. You need a lead capture page or something to capture the lead, and you need a sales process. So let's go ahead and actually break this down for you and actually not waste any time. So to understand the sales process, let's go ahead and break it down kind of like the big three that you need to understand. The first thing you need is attention, right? You need attention because you need to drive traffic and create traffic and drive it somewhere. You have to create it and drive it somewhere. The second thing you need is a capture, which in the capture page, you can go ahead and have your opt-in pages or somewhere that you can go ahead and actually get them to book an appointment or do something with you or watch a video, you educate them more. And from here, you need a sales process. How are you going to go ahead and actually get these people to convert? Is it something online that they're going to fill out and buy? Or is it something that you're going to get them on the phone and then you're going to sell them, right? So you have to have the certain sales process that you need to be able to understand and be able to have. And then from here, you can go ahead and really break this down. Now, at this point, there's only three things that could go wrong with your marketing campaign or with your marketing efforts. Is it that you're not capturing enough people? Is it that your sales skills are terrible? Or is it that you're just not generating enough traffic? Then you can go ahead and really break down which one is not working and which one is working. Because most of the time, like as an online coach or as an online entrepreneur, you don't have enough traffic unless you have a big audience. Like most of us don't have a big audience. I don't have a big audience. So I know my problem is not capturing a lead or selling them on the phone. I know my problem is traffic. I don't have enough attention just yet. And that's why I create all of these videos, so I can build my audience, so I can create more attention, so I can then channel that traffic into my opt-in pages, into my sales process. And this is where most people fail. And now, there's another way that you can go ahead and really break this down is this way, right? Your ads or your content that you're creating and you're channeling and you're sending this traffic, right? This traffic into your opt-in pages, or your sales funnel. And then from here, you send it to your VSL. I know you guys seen this before, your VSL, where they watch a video and then book a call, right? This is kind of how this whole thing works. Which one is this part? Well, the capture is this part, right? You kind of capture them, and then your sales process is this. So traffic, this is attention. This is how you generate attention. This is how you capture, and this is your sales process. Now, like I'm telling you, a lot of people have a problem here in attention. Now, when you figure out the problem that you're currently having in your current business, your problem may be like, hey, I generate a lot of traffic, I have a big audience, but I suck at creating a sales funnel, and I suck at converting that traffic or all of this attention that I'm generating. I'm terrible at converting that into appointments. If that's your problem, consider yourself lucky, because this is the easy part. All you have to do is really redefine your offer, redefine your opt-in pages, and redefine your VSL so you can go ahead and get more appointments. Now, most people's problem is that they just don't have a big audience. They don't have attention to go ahead and generate, and that's when you have to start generating attention, right? So you're gonna have to start creating content on Reels, create content on TikTok, right? So Reels, TikTok, YouTube, to go ahead and get attention, because that's what you need. You need attention in your business. You can also use Facebook groups to go ahead and generate attention for your business, right? Because then you post on a Facebook group something valuable, and then from there you channel them into your profile where you should have more value and a call to action where they can go ahead and go and book in a call. It's literally that simple, right? Another way that you can go ahead and generate more attention is by creating a podcast. Right? You want to go ahead and create a podcast and generate more attention that way. Now, the formula to make attention work, and I'm starting to figure this out, right, is consistency plus patience plus value is the secret formula. You need to be consistent. You need to be patient, and you need to be delivering value. I know that everything that I'm doing right now, all of these videos that I'm providing to you guys that get 10 views, 20 views, 40 views, 50 views, I know over time this is going to start stacking up on each other. And I know that, right? I know it's hard, especially, for example, when you want things to go faster, when you want to go ahead and put in overdrive and generate more attention so you can go ahead and help more people and be able to help more businesses grow, right? I know it's a little bit hard to do that and be consistent. And this is where most people fail. And I know that. I'm starting to see this because I've been here before and I have given up before. I have created, 24 videos in a row and I've given up. And then I started again and then I given up. Why? Because it doesn't grow fast enough. And this is where you need to understand the compound efforts. Because over time, right? Over time, let's say this is time and this is efforts. Right? I think I'm doing this right. Efforts. So you're really going to like generating a lot of efforts, doing a lot of effort to go ahead over time, the same type of effort to go ahead and generate results. But the chart, it goes like this, right? You're generating so much time, but it doesn't really move for a long period of time. It really doesn't move. Like, for example, this is day 60 or something like that of me uploading almost every day, and this hasn't been really moving. It's been really moving slow, but I know there's going to be a point in time that this chart is just going to go through the roof like that, and everybody's going to see it as, oh, he's overnight success, right? He's an overnight success, but they're not going to see how many times I wanted to give up to go up from making these videos or just creating more attention because nobody sees it. But I understand that over time, this might take 90 days, this might take 6 months, this might take a year. But I know over time, this is going to happen. I'm going to have the charges go through the roof, and I'm going to go ahead and just generate more attention so I can literally just start growing my email list, start growing my business just in general, and be able to obviously get more sales, get more clients, and sell more people. But this is where people don't want to go ahead and make the effort. They don't want to go ahead and make the effort on TikTok and Reels or on YouTube on a consistent basis every single day for 90 days to a year because they don't see the results. They don't want to go ahead and keep posting on Facebook groups at least 3 times a week to start generating a buzz and start generating people get people to know who you are and start generating attention because they're not patient enough, right? They don't have the consistency, they don't have the patience, they might have the value, but they prefer to just keep it to themselves because every single time they share it, they don't get the attention that they desire. They don't get what they want back out of right away. So they're like, you know what? Let me just I'll do that some other time, and they never do it because they're not consistent, they're not patient enough to wait for the results. And that's something that you guys have to understand, especially if you want to go ahead and create and get more attention to your business. If that's your problem, you need to be patient unless you have money to run an ad. If you have money to run an ad, then start doing that because that's going to put in overdrive. But you're still going to have to be consistent and you're still going to have to create value because how many times have you seen an ad from somebody and then you never see them again? You want to go ahead and create an ad and channel them into something. Channel them into your Facebook group, into your YouTube channel where you're actually being consistent, but just that money that you're putting into advertisement, that kind of funnels it and puts in overdrive a little bit so you can go ahead and generate more results for your business. Alright guys, I want to go ahead and conclude this video. Now, if your business is not doing good right now, you're not generating the results that you want, you really want to go ahead and look at those 3 things. It's either attention, a capture problem, or a sales problem. If you're getting a whole bunch of appointments and you're not selling, well, obviously that's a sales problem. You have to fix your sales process. If you're not getting enough, if you're generating a whole bunch of traffic, but nobody's, giving you their information or booking an appointment, then you have a capture problem. And if you don't have enough people going to your capture page, then you have an attention problem. And then I just kind of showed you exactly how you guys can go ahead and fix that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being here right now. If you guys need any help getting more clients just like this, I would love to look at your sales process just like I did right now and see where we're leaving money on the table and where we can actually improve on and help you guys grow your business. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below where you guys can actually book in a call. And other than that, thank you so much for your time, and I'll talk to you guys later.